Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the latest insights into the best beauty and wellness products. If you're tired of traditional flossing and looking for something that cleans deeper, fresher, and faster, you're in the right place. Let's talk about the Waterpik Aquarius water flossers, WP663 and WP662. First off, the Waterpik Aquarius is a powerhouse when it comes to oral health. It's not just a fancy gadget. It's an A.D.A. approved tool that uses a unique combination of water pressure and pulsations to remove up to 99.9% of plaque. That's 50% more effective than traditional flossing alone. Sounds impressive, right? But does it really live up to the claims? Let's dive into it. The Waterpik Aquarius comes with 10 pressure settings, ranging from 10 to 100 psi, which means you can customize your cleaning experience based on your sensitivity or how much cleaning power you need. Plus, it has a massage mode, which is fantastic for stimulating your gums and enhancing circulation, a key part of gum health. Now, it's super convenient because the flosser has a 22-ounce water reservoir, which provides 90 seconds of uninterrupted flossing without needing to refill. And here's a bonus. There are 7 color-coded tips, so everyone in the family can have their own without any mix-ups. I've been using this flosser for a while now, and I have to say it's a game changer. The ease of use is outstanding. I love that you don't have to struggle with string floss anymore. This is just water, and it's much gentler on the gums. The adjustable pressure settings are great, especially for sensitive gums like mine, and I love the feeling of the massage mode. It's like a mini spa treatment for your mouth. The only downside? The Waterpik Aquarius is a bit bulkier compared to some other oral care tools, so it might not be ideal if you have limited countertop space. But if you're looking for a thorough, professional-level clean, this is a small trade-off for something that really works. As for value for money, it's definitely worth it. At the price point, you're getting superior plaque removal and gum care, and with a 3-year warranty, you can trust that it's built to last. Plus, it's recommended by 9 out of 10 dentists, so you know it's something that professionals trust. Now, if you're in the market for something with similar benefits, but at a lower price, there are a few alternatives. You could look at brands like Philips Sonicare, which offer a similar experience at a slightly lower cost, but you won't get quite the same level of customization with pressure settings. Let's talk about the build quality. The Waterpik Aquarius feels solid and durable, and I haven't had any issues with its performance over time. The water tank is easy to refill, and the tips are easy to change out, which makes maintenance a breeze. So, would I recommend the Waterpik Aquarius water flossers? Absolutely, if you're serious about your oral health and want to step up your flossing game. It's effective, customizable, and backed by a reputable brand. I'd suggest it for anyone who struggles with traditional flossing or anyone who just wants to maintain a healthier smile with less effort. Thank you for tuning in today. If you're ready to give the Waterpik Aquarius a try, you can find the link to purchase in the description box below. And if you've used it, let us know what you think. Drop a comment. Let's chat about your experience. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.